Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's currently 79 degrees.
79 degrees, people. You get what me I say? And it's 9 o'clock yet. Alright, so imagine the rest of the day when the place heat up. Yo, listen, the weather nice, people. The weather is superb right now on the weekend. You get what me I say? Yeah, man. What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And currently we're in Portmore, on the back road. That high-rise building that you see we just passed on the right-hand side, it's a little gated community called Bayfront Villa. Yeah, it's located right close to Port Henderson as you just enter back road. Right here as you pass the roundabout. When you enter the roundabout, you would go around and take the second exit. You understand? Yeah, Bayfront Villa, nice gated community and stuff. One of these days I'll give you a tour of over there, alright? Yeah, so we're here, people. We're making our way to downtown Kingston. Yeah, downtown Kingston we are go. And it's actually the weekend. It's a Saturday morning, alright? And as I said, it's morning. So here we go now, people. You might notice the sun probably like I got there directly in the camera from time to time because the sun not too long rise and we are heading in the direction where it a face way. You see what I say? So just bear with it for a little while, alright? Under the whole video. You understand? Yeah, man, somebody just say, yo, bless up everybody over there, all of the new subscribers, them big up on yourself. Yo, a whole heap of new people there and them a show crazy love. Yo, them a whole heap of things, them a comment, them a do a bag of things, plus you have new people when not even a comment or nothing, you see me? Some people watch it on them TV, so you know it not give them the option for comment on the TV as yet. You get what me I say? Yeah. So I say thing, yeah man, some people watch it. I saw me watch YouTube to watch on my TV, you see me? I'm read the comment them on my TV, I'm click like on my TV, but you can't comment as yet, you see me? So hopefully YouTube give you a little upgrade so you can comfortable comment. You get what I say? Yeah man, I'm just want to shout out to whole heap of people. There's some long time day one people who I want to shout out to, you know. You get what I say? Yeah man, people them from all over the world. All over the world, you get what I say? Yeah. Man like Sir Colin Smith, yo, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, your wife, Carolyn. Big up for yourself, what I deal with? What go on? We no cool over water there, eh? We need to take a vacation, man, and come take in some. You see that sunshine here? Listen to me, man. You see that sunshine here? Make go check something there. Hold on. Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's currently 79 degrees.
79 degrees, people. You get what I say? And it's 9 o'clock yet. Alright, so imagine the rest of the day when the place heat up. Yo, listen, the weather nice, people. The weather is superb right now on the weekend. You get what I say? Yeah, man. And also want to shout out Peter Johnson. Yo, Peter, big up yourself, you know. You get what I say? Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Rika, all the way over there in Canada. Bless up yourself, you see me? Yo, enough people still, you know. Yo, a whole heap of people. I tell you, yo, I should even start that calling name something, you know, because I know some people are going to burn me out, you know. Oh my word, I want to get myself in there. Eh? What did I do? All of the people will approach the toll and they're going to need to pay my toll. So all of them find my money there. Yeah. Find my money. For class 1 vehicles on the toll, it's 360. Yeah, $360 for class 1 on the toll. You know, class 1 are like a regular little car and yeah. You see me? Yeah, man. And some 7-seater, you know, a class 1 it come under, you know, I don't know, I guess it did by the height and so some of them low. It allow them for big class 1, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. When I approach it, you can look on it, you will see the light might have flicker because the LED and the camera. I don't know why it do that sometime, but yeah, the LED light not really show good on camera, so it flickers sometime. But you probably might see it. You see that class 2 here in front of me, a 550 it say for class 2. So you can imagine class 3 as well. And on the side, I think they have a little chart, but I don't think the camera will pick up that. Hold on there. Good morning. Thank you. Alright, so she done make me change people. I give her a $5,000 bill, yeah? Jamaica, $5,000 bill. And that me give her, so she done make me change. So that's why we take so long. You get me, I say? So yeah, man, people. So yeah, we're there on Portmore toll road now, you see me? Yeah, man, I make a way. I go downtown Kingston. I don't think we're going to the hard height. I go probably, you know, take road them on the outskirts because as you know I'm actually heading somewhere else. Well, you don't know, but me I head somewhere else. So yeah, you get what me I say. So yeah, man, me I tell you, man, me I say yo, me not tell like also yo people, I want to big up Nicole. Yeah, me have to big up Nicole. You get what me I say? What her last name again? Oh my word. I try to remember if a Johnson or a Jackson. Hold on there. And then we have to watch you go up on the road to make sure we obey the speed limit, you know, because trust me, the cops are out and yo, them not play with people. You get me? Yeah, big traffic fine. You see me? But yeah, I think Nicole Jackson, you know. Nicole Jackson. Here we go now. So Nicole is actually a paid subscriber to the channel. She's my first paid subscriber to the channel. So, Nicole, Miss Jackson, big up yourself. I need reply for the comment and thing and I know you see it and everything. But me have to shout you out publicly. You get what I say? Yeah man, big up yourself. You understand me? I appreciate you. But give thanks for you subscribing to the channel. People, you can subscribe to the channel, alright? Subscribing to the channel allow you some little perks. You get what I say? Yeah, when you go on it, you will see it and all of them things there. You get what I say? more time we post more personal stuff, you know, me there one place and I think it look nice. More probably, you know, post that and it only exclusive to Uno. I can go live with only my paid subscriber them alone, so Uno alone see. I can post videos and make it be only my paid subscriber them. You get what I say? Can view it. So it come with little perks. And as I say, when you go there you see what and where come with and thing. You get what I say? Yeah man. So me I telling the people, I just want to shout out to Nicole. Yeah, Nicole Jackson, big up yourself. Whenever I want to see her in the comment, I go see one little bad side of her name or something that differentiate. And I couldn't know the fact say, oh, them people here, you know, them different on the channel. So yeah. But you don't know me appreciate everybody on the channel, whether you pay or whatever. Just you watching the video, clicking like, dropping a comment. You don't know that do a whole lot for me. Me appreciate it. You get what me I say? Yeah man. Appreciate it a whole lot. Yes, sites. Yeah, man. So I just say, yo, big up to everybody, every single soul. You get what I say? As I say, I never want to start the name calling something, you know, because I know how that going on. I can probably do like what I always do still, you know. You get what I say? Oh, and big up Miss Lorraine too. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up Miss Lorraine too. You don't know the thing, though. You understand? Yeah. Big up June. Yo, big up everybody. Yeah man, Joe Richards, you me attack, big up yourself. You understand? Yeah man, but watch you go on. So it's some people them down in Florida, people them over in the UK, people them in Canada, Cyprus people them. Listen to me, you know. Listen to me, you know. You see me Cyprus people them. Oh my God. Listen to me, man. See police them there, they might try to clap a while ago, so I have to cut my speed, you see me? Yeah, well, we can't take a ticket right now, you see me? Yeah, but we can't take a ticket right now. You understand? But yeah, big up Sir Ashley as well. Yeah man, Daniel out of Canada as well too. You know the thing go. Yeah man, you see me? Yup, definitely. But my Cyprus people, them, so people Cyprus located around one part, you know. Yeah, like I think they're close to the Middle East, close to Africa. Don't remember. Yeah, she did explain and tell me, you know. Actually explain and tell me exactly which part it there. But listen people, trust me, I tell you say yo, we get views from a whole heap of places and a joke thing. You see me? Yeah, Tristan, big up yourself too as well, my G. You don't know, yeah man. Mad move, you see me? Yeah, alright, watch your pre now. So you see Cyprus, Carmen over Cyprus with her husband. Yeah man. Them over there, them are Jamaican. And a Cyprus, them live people. Wanna go Google which part Cyprus there. And you see a way around one part. And they must stay in touch, they must stay in tune, you know? Yeah man, so Carmen, big up yourself, you and your husband. You see me I say, yeah man, hope you all doing well, you know, in a great health and I hope you living prosperous over there. You understand? Yeah man. Big up to all of you, you see me? Yeah my people. So currently now we're on Marcus Garvey Drive, my people. And if the sunlight in the video, I say I apologize. I am sorry. You understand? Yeah, they just light and it's gonna be a beautiful day. It's gonna be a beautiful day, so you see me. You know the sun of out for the day, beautiful, right? Alright. Yeah. Yeah man. So we just take our time and make away. You get what I say? Yeah. Just take my time and people, as I say, one time I never know that people actually share the video them and them something. I didn't even know that. And when I check my analytics and something, I see people are sending it on WhatsApp. So continue to send it around on WhatsApp. You get what I say? Yeah. Send it around on WhatsApp. You see me? Continue to click the like button and all of that. All them things. All of the persons them were always a watch. You have some people who always a watch. You have people out of USA. Always a watch. You have people out of UK. You have some people where, you know, them just drop them one comment and they make me know say, hey, listen to me man. I love your video them. You see me? I always a watch. I always click like on them something, but I don't really comment. You see, uno people, I appreciate uno same way. Enough love and support. Sorry, enough love and gratitude for the support. You see me? Yeah man, I appreciate to the man. You get what I say? Because I say, me watch YouTube on my TV. I'm watch a whole heap of YouTube content. Trust me. Whole heap of people I watch and I subscribe to and all of that. And all the time I get for comment, and sometimes I dead with laugh, we get one heap of joke, one heap of thing, people police over on the right hand side as well too, them at the speed check too, you know. But my thing is, why you have to hide as police though? Why the police them have to hide? But now I get it, why? You hide and I do the speed check. So is it about really making your presence known, or about, yo, me I try to catch some people to them on the speed trap, you know? What is it really about? Is it really about making your presence, you know? People can see you and know, say, yo, yeah, and you know, deter them from speed on the road and them something there. Yeah, you see me? Jamaica, we need to be proactive, not reactive, you see me? Yeah, like we react after the thing happen. You see me? So I don't know why we don't make the police presence be known on the road. We are drive with the police a drive and they know say the police are just patrol a stretcher. Yeah, that we need to do and stop try Jim Screechy and catch people. Cause if the man a speed and to do something, he might go speed and do it. You see me? Then when more time when them soon you know, them will say, yo, me could take a time man. You get what I say, even though we should even need police for that say me could obey the limit. We don't need to know say because the police there we fear obey the speed limit. We fear do that off our own. But come on, yo, come on. You see me? If a thief got broke in our house and him see 2 yard, 1 yard full of security camera and some guard dog, and the next yard just look normal. Like normal yard him got broke in. You see me? Yeah, so me could just make my presence be known to officers, man. Come on, man. No better than that, man. Yeah. You see me? Better than that, man. So yeah, my people, what are we man? We basically there. We basically there. Down at town, you know. Yeah. From my left hand side, there's one new gas station them a build. It's named Yardman. So I guess it's a Yardman build it. You understand? Yeah. So yeah, my people. We basically the downtown Kingston right now. Yeah. And this is Harbour Street. Yeah, Harbour Street, downtown Kingston. And as I say, it's a Saturday morning. So you know we don't expect to see that something here. We either see on the Monday to Friday, the big traffic and the rain. Yeah, that's not expected. You understand? I apologize again about the sun, the glare of the sunlight, you know? The man they broke the stoplight. Yeah. Yeah, my people, so pretty much the video will come to a close real soon, you know. People, before the video start, I actually did stop and get a plantain porridge. Trust me, and it is so good. When last time drink some plantain porridge? When last? Yeah. I actually stop and get a plantain porridge, people, so but they are sip on it, you know? Yeah, man. A medium one. 16 ounce. Yeah. It's so good. Yeah, man, I get it. I'm gonna get little cabbage and I'm gonna get some fried dumpling. Yeah. You know Jamaican breakfast already, man. What? Trust me, people. Yeah, that's what I got. Because me have an early day, so, you know, I have to buy some breakfast this morning. Plus, you don't know me, once I'm out on the road, me I go buy food. Yeah. So we're going to end the video out at the end of this road here. At the end of Harbour Street, that's where we're going to end it. Yeah, my people. And as I say, continue to like, continue to share, continue to comment. Yeah, and if you watch the video, I know if you've been watching the video for a while and you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel, man. Must be a reason why you continue to watch. You must like you to the annoying voice. You want to drive around the place and just chat off your mouth. You understand? So subscribe to the channel, man. Alright? Yeah, people, subscribe to the channel. And with that said, you know, this building is Grace Kennedy's new head office. Right, basically like almost across the street from the old one. Yeah. They said that they're celebrating 100 years. Understand? Yeah. So with that said, my people, this is where the video will come to an end. You don't know the thing as I say, continue to like, share, subscribe, drop on the comments, alright? Don't know anything got 876 by Berg, but people, and I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.